Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the best way on how you can level up fast in Goblin Woods. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So your first priority should be, you should always do the main quests, like focusing on cutting all the trees, and then you just need to be, stay in one good spot and keep clearing it. Also, you can just upgrade your machines and activate XP scrolls boosters if the game has them. So yeah, also upgrade your weapons first. So like this, you just gotta upgrade it, and you just need to keep on upgrading your stuff. So just make sure that you upgrade your stuff like this, and keep on upgrading however much money you got. With that, you will receive gold, and you can just keep on unlocking more goblins like that. So if you unlock more goblins, you can just upgrade each goblins like this. And here, as you can see, you can pretty much get so many goblins to work, and they can start working like this. And here you go. Now, by doing that, you'd simply level up so fast, and you just need to be keep on clearing up. So here, as you can see, your goblins are clearing, and you need to, here as you can see, I unlocked a wooden chest right now with some tokens and everything. So if I go over here, I got another upgrade. So yeah, you can easily level up like this, and you can also collect laboratories. Just keep on collecting stuff like this, and just keep on playing your game, and you'll level up eventually very fast. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.